Today I'm going to show you how to make Syrniki, soft creamy Russian-style cottage cheese pancakes. You can prep them once and enjoy homemade breakfast for an entire month, and the best part, they taste restaurant level thanks to one secret ingredient, cream cheese. We will also make a simple mango coulis, a fruit sauce that takes your Syrniki to the next level and freezes beautifully. For Syrniki you'll need full-fat farmer's cheese, cream cheese, egg yolks, powdered sugar, rice flour, and equipment. Mixing bowls, a sieve for straining, a glass for shaping, a scale, and a cutting board. Plus parchment paper for freezing, and either a vacuum sealer or a simple zip-top bags for storage. Step 1. Draining the cheese. Let's start with the hardest part, draining and straining the cheese. This step is crucial. The less moisture in the cheese, the less flour we'll need, which means Syrniki won't turn out rubbery. I use a piece of sieve lining to press out the liquid, but you can also use cheesecloth or a clean kitchen towel. Step 2. Sieving for texture. Next, push the cheese through a fine sieve. Some people use a blender, but it often releases extra liquid. Sieving by hand gives that perfect, airy, delicate texture that makes Syrniki so special. Mixing and shaping. Add cream cheese, yolks, powdered sugar, and rice flour. Mix by hand until the dough comes together. Weigh out small portions, about 1.5 ounces each. Roll into balls. Dust with rice flour. Then flatten slightly. For that professional round shape, press and rotate under a glass. Makes them look perfectly uniform. Arrange them on a parchment-lined board. Cover with plastic wrap and freeze overnight. While the Syrniki are freezing, let's make our restaurant-style finishing touch. Mango coulis. All you need is mango, lemon juice, and sugar. Simmer briefly until soft. Then blend until smooth. It keeps in the fridge for up to a week, or freeze in ice cube trays for up to 3 months. If it separates when thawing, just blend again. Storage and cooking. The next day, cook some Syrniki right away and store the rest. With a vacuum sealer, they'll keep up to 4 months in the freezer. In a zip-top bag, up to 2 months. Don't forget to label with expiration date. To cook, no need to thaw. Fry them on clarified butter for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Then finish in the oven at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Serve with sour cream, mango coulis, fresh blueberries, and powdered sugar. Or try them with your favorite jam or fruit. They are incredibly versatile. If you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out.